Hi guys, today I am back with another video, and this time I will be doing a messy bun tutorial, and I will show you how I achieve my messy buns. So first, the products that you're going to use, well that I'm going to use, you can use the same thing or you can use something different. But first I went and bought me some braiding Kaneklon hair in the color 2 because I wanted to kind of match my hair tone. Then to slick my hair up, I'm going to use some Eco Styling Gel, the coconut oil style. I have a spray bottle so I can wet my hair when I get ready to put it in a ponytail. I got some Got To Be Glue. I might not use it. I might. But I have this Got To Be Glue to slick my hair up so it'll stay and hold it in place. I have some mousse. Sometimes I use this to make, to try to make little baby hairs. Or either just to mold my hair in place. I have some Got To Be Glued, the styling gel, ultra glued. Sometimes I also use this on my edges to keep them laid down. As you can see, it's not all that. And of course, you're gonna need some bobby pins, a brush, scrunchie, and if you plan on doing your baby hairs, if you don't have an edge brush, girl, you can use you a toothbrush. They work the same because I used to use a toothbrush. I used to be that girl. Okay, I just washed my hair, so when I take this off, don't be like, oh my gosh, you bald head. Because baby, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not bald headed. I just washed my hair, so that's why I look like this. And I will even insert a picture to show y'all that I'm not bald headed, so y'all won't try to play me. But I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna have my hair in a slight bun up top so I can wet my hair around so I can slick it up or whatever. So I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of water. Ooh. Then I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styling Gel. If I can open it. Lord. I don't think I can open it. Oh my gosh, the struggle is real. Maybe I should have opened it first. Okay, there we go. And now I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna apply it on my head to slick my ponytail. Or at least try to slick it. Oh, I used too much right there. Okay, now that my hair is somewhat slicked up, I am going to take some mousse. So it'll really have a nice hold. And I'm just going to slick it up on top of the Eco Styling Gel. Put some in the back. And I'm going to apply some in the front. Just so, my hair can be slick or whatnot. And like, who that? But yeah, I'm just going to slick this up like this. Now I'm going to go in with my brush and brush it all up. Take that scrunchie off. Hopefully the slickness of this bun stays. I'm gonna tie this around twice because this is a big scrunchie. And I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. See if I can go around one more time. Hopefully I don't break a nail. Oh, okay. Got it. There we go. My hair is a little tangled because I had, ooh, my ponytail looks so little. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm natural by the way, but I never wear my natural hair. I should really start though, because I need to get my curl pattern back to how it used to be. And just to make sure that, ew, got hair in my mouth. Just to make sure that, you know, my hair won't come out my bun a little bit, I'm going to take some Got to Be Glued Freez spray, and I'm going to spray it on my brush. And I'm just going to brush it up. That's some for the back. I'm going to spray some on here for the front and the sides. As you see. Okay, now that's done. Like on my hair, as you see, you know, it's not in a pattern, but I wanted to have like a little comb wave look. So it might not work out. Actually, it might. I wanted to have a comb wave look, so I'm gonna go back in with some Got to Be Glued, and I'm gonna spray my edge, the comb on my edge brush, or you can use your regular comb, and you just gonna swift it. So, you know, make it like a little, see, like it's combed or whatever on the sides. Y'all probably like, she doesn't know what she's doing. But I'm just going with the flow. You can tell a little bit, but not really. I don't really care about the front. See? Not all that. Alright, now since that is done, I'm going to take this part of my hair and try to wrap it up in a small little bun. See, I told y'all this. Yeah, if this right here happened, see, I got a little flyaways. I got a little bit of fly. I don't know if y'all can see, but this person got it glued on the girl. Brush it up. Brush it up, so. Just brush it up. Because it'll freeze your hair in place. Okay. Like I was saying, you're going to take this right here and try to wrap it up in a real little bun, as little as you can get it. Wrap it around. And tie it up with a rubber band. Ooh. Tie it up with a rubber band. And it should look like this. Somewhat like this. My bun isn't that slick. Well, y'all probably can't see. It's not that slick, but it's slick. So I'm going to spray some Got to Be Glued all over instead. And once I do that, I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to brush it up. It's not the best, but it's a work. Okay, now that's done, you want to open your braiding hair, whether you have, in the intro, I said, not the intro, in the beginning of the video, I said that this was Kaneklon. It's Kaneklon, but it's Afro kinky hair. But you're going to take your hair, whatever type of hair you have, out of the bag. And I only got one because I didn't want a really big bun. So, don't break a rubber band like I just did, because I just broke my rubber band. Freak. Since I broke my rubber band, you're going to take a scrunchie. I'm just going to take a scrunchie and tie it on there, because I just broke my rubber band. Girl, take your scrunchie, tie it on there like so. I probably should have got another pack of this, because my bun finna be little. But anywho, yeah, just tie it on it like that. Alright, once you do that, you're gonna take your hair and you're gonna place it on your head and wrap it around like you're putting on a ponytail holder, which basically you are. Once that's done, you're gonna take your hair. You might want to fluff it out a little bit. Once you fluff it out, you're going to take it, and you're going to wrap it around your small bun that you already have. Like so. It's not really hard. And once you do that, you're going to take you some bobby pins. Now, this is how I want my bun to look. You might want yours bigger, so you might add more hair. Or you might, fluff yours up more. But this is how I want mine. So I'm going to take my scrunchies and I'm just going to pin them in place in my hair to keep my bun in place. I'm just going to put some bobby pins in to pin my bun in place, as so. This is a cute little nice natural go-to style if your hair is not done. And you want something cute, but not nothing too pricey, or you don't feel like, going to pay somebody to do your hair or buying you any inches, then this is the perfect go-to style, I'm telling you. Real cheap, real affordable. This hair was probably like, I think it was $4.99. Yeah, this hair was around like $4.99. With tax and everything, about $5 and some change. Nothing too much. Make sure you pin your bun down so it will be very secure and won't fall off. And make sure you put some pins in the front and in the back, because you might have pieces that might start coming out or whatever. And then if you want to, you can just touch your bun up, fix your bun up. Y'all probably hear my mom in the back, but don't mind her. Y'all don't mind my family in the background. Like, I'm gonna really be doing these videos, so y'all really gonna be hearing them. And it get worse than that. You probably gonna hear my mom cussing and stuff. But your bun should look like so. I feel like my bun a little lopsided, but it's okay. It got a little wop to it, but it's alright. It's still cute. Put a pin right here. Okay, now that's done, girl. It's time to go to the baby hairs. It's time to go to the baby's hairs. So when I do my baby hairs, I like using, when I do my baby hair, I like using mousse, to put on there and then slick them. I don't know why, I just feel like it works better. So I'm just gonna take some, or you can use edge control, Gorilla Snot, whatever you prefer, but I prefer mousse. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of mousse and put it on my edges a little. I'm gonna take my edge brush, and I don't care for the real dramatic baby hair look. So I'm just gonna drag a little bit of hair out and do my thing with it. As you can see, drag it out. Might want to apply some more just in case. See? Drag it out. Drag it out. Swoop. 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 Let me do something up here. See, like when you doing your baby hair, you want to swoop that thing. So when you swoop it, see, look, watch, I'm finna swoop it. You gotta go swoop. Because if you don't say swoop, it ain't gonna swoop right. Okay, mine don't look right in the front, but swoop. Y'all get a picture. Alright, now that I got half of this side done, I'm just about to go in with this Gotta Be Glue styling gel, because this right here look like it's drying up. And it look like it ain't getting my swoop how I want it. So I'm just gonna take some of that Got To Be Glue styling gel, baby. You smell me? And I'm just gonna brush it like this and swoop that thing. Oh, okay, so watch this. Swoop that thing. Oh. Swoop that thing. Swoop that thing. Then I'm gonna get up here and I'm gonna swoop that thing. Swoop that thing. Okay? Y'all probably like my edges ain't all that. But you get the dealio. I'm gonna finish the other side of my head for my edges. And I'll get back on camera to show you the overall results. So I'll be back later. Okay, I'm back and I did this side, as you can see. It's not all of that. And I did this side. I like this side better. I like this piece. But now that that's done, my bun is done, but I have a little flyaways in my bun. So I'm gonna take some of this Got To Be Glue Freeze spray. And I'm gonna spray it on my bun to hold down some of that, to keep some of the flyaways down. And then now I'm gonna take a scarf and I'm gonna wrap it around my edges so that they could dry and stay in place, and so my hair could stay slick. Well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video with anybody you know that, sometimes they don't have their hair done, or maybe they don't feel like paying for them to get their hair done, or they're natural and they don't really wear sew-ins or braids or anything and need a protective, natural style for your hair. You can share this video with them. Anyways, I already said this again, but I just want to stress it again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, and also, if you would like, make sure you turn that post notification bell on. Baby, it's 2019, and I'm about to start being consistent with my videos. If there's anything that you would like to see or any videos that you would like me to post, make sure you drop it. Make sure you drop it in the comment section, or you can let me know from any one of my social medias. The links to my social medias will be in the bottom of this video in the description box. Bye!